Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? In today's video, we are showing you beautiful and classic formal dress designs. Different type of designs and lace work look very sophisticated. These dresses are ideal for evening parties and also will be the best choice for wedding ceremonies. Women of all ages will look great in these type of dresses. It doesn't matter what your body shape is. All of these dresses will look great on you. We are showing you these designs so that you can get new ideas and look your best at parties. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And express your opinion in comment section.